In this next module, I have captured a video presented by Professor O, who was very experienced using Canvas. So be sure to watch this before you begin your work on this particular online course, because it contains valuable information on just how to use Canvas effectively.
In this video module, I will demonstrate how to access Canvas to take the class online. The first step is to open up Google Chrome, your web browser. Do not access the class in Internet Explorer or Firefox, as it has been optimized for Google Chrome. You'll go to sccollege.edu, which will take you here to the college homepage. And there you'll click on Canvas in the upper right corner. This will take you to the Canvas login page. You click down here to the Login to Canvas icon. And what will happen in some cases is you might get an error message that says unauthorized or you can't get in if it's your first time logging in. If this happens, the system will prompt you to go to CCC Apply. This is a very normal part of the process of logging into Canvas for the first time. So if you get a page that looks something like this, it's completely normal, your first time logging in. Here at the bottom there's a link to create a new account, which you'll click on. In order to set this up, you will need to have an email address. I strongly suggest setting up a Gmail account. If you don't already have one, you can click on the link here and it will take you through the process of setting that up. And then click on Begin Creating My Account down here. From here you'll put in your name, your information, your date of birth. And when it comes to this part here about social, this is primarily designed for students on the credit side of the college that would be applying for financial aid. This will probably not apply to you, so you would uncheck that box. And then down here, if you do not have a social security number or you do not want to provide it, you can do so by checking this box down here at the bottom. And if you are an international student, non-resident alien, or any other exception, or you don't have one, you check that box and then click on Continue. So once you've done that, it will take you through the balance of this form. It's a 3-page form that you'll have to create one time in order to log in for your first time. Once that's done, you'll be able to access the Canvas course shell. So you'll click on Login here. You'll go back here, we'll leave the student view. So when you log in with your Web Advisor ID, I'll go ahead and log out and log back in so you can see that process. When you log in with what's called your Web Advisor ID, it's the first digit of your first name, the first digit of your last name, followed by 5 numbers. If you don't have that Web Advisor ID number, then you need to create one. I'll walk you through that process in just a moment. Once you put in your Web Advisor username and password, you'll click in the login box right here, and this will take you directly into the Canvas shell. You'll find your class right here. Let's say that you're taking the Workforce Readiness class, which is VBUS 012. You click on that, and it will take you into this dashboard. From here, I'll put it on student view so you can see what it would look like from your point of view. Over here on the left, you'll see these various links to different areas of the course, such as the home, discussions, grades, and so on. Where you will find the class content when the class goes live is a link called Modules. The modules will be the place that you go to find the lecture videos, the PowerPoints, the things that are relevant to our topic for the week. You'll be able to check on your grade at any time and here on the grading icon. And then when I post announcements, those will also be visible right here on the left. So that concludes the Canvas orientation portion. For those of you that do not have a Web Advisor or you're not able to get in, you'll go back to sccollege.edu and click on the Web Advisor link up here at the top next to Canvas. And if you don't know your WebAdvisor login, that link is located here on the left, or if you forgot your password, you click on the Reset My Password icon. That concludes this video module on orientation to Canvas. I look forward to seeing you all online.